Yeah, here. I'm doing mine too.
Oh.
So this is all.
You got it on video?
Yep.
Okay, me too.
All that water is coming out of draining out of this tub. You can see it going down over here. This part.
Yes, it's already lowering down.
Yeah. And that's what we were trying to mop up, but we wouldn't be able to get it to mop up. Oh,
Why don't you just let the
this
hose
go?
down?
Because if the hose goes down, it's gonna be all over the floor, which is kind of a lot of water.
You want me to try to pull this thing over to you?
Well, no,
There, and hold it.
but it can't because you pinched the hose.
That's it.
Yeah, I know. It's like it's just kind of hard to do. It's just gonna get wet. That's just all it is.
No matter how we do it, you're gonna do it. It's gonna get wet.
I mean, shoot. It's just the way that it's gonna be. Here, where's that cup? Is there? I have a cup, right?
The cup is behind me, right here.
Let's try this. There we go. And that is just all nasty water.
Your bucket.
Yeah, right here.
Not that bucket. Go on your side.
Go like this, and tape record it like that. Oh, shnikes. Ah, it's wet. It's just, it is what it is. You can see it coming all out of the tub though.
Yeah, it's empty in the tub.
Yeah, it'll eventually all empty.
And that sock is the one that's causing all that.
It looks like a black sock to me, which if that's the case, I haven't worn black, unless it's one of the
Probably
kids.
mine.
Oh, well, there could be something. We'll take it. Here we go. Almost there.
How the hell did that sock get down there?
I don't know. If that's what it is, we'll have to take a look. Oh, what a mess. Shit. Crepes.
Don't involve a minute.
We're gonna have to move the dish.
Don't involve me in that.
We're gonna have to move the dryer and
To dry
dry
it.
under the dryer. Oh my gosh, what a mess.
Is there a lot of water
It's a lot of water
left?
It doesn't seem like there is, but yeah, there's kind of a bit left.
All right.
It's okay, we're good. I mean, we got most of it in the bucket, but not all of it.
With that hit you.
Yeah, that's okay.
It fell in there.
That's okay, I got it.
Lord have mercy.
I don't know how much
You
water
want to put the other towel there?
It doesn't. I don't think it really matters right now, D. I mean,
There's not a lot of water coming out.
there's not as much as there was before. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good. Oh.
All right.
Alright, keep the video going. We're good.
The who?
Keep the video going too.
The other towel?
No, the video, just keep it going.
Oh, yeah, it's on.
Okay. So, can you get right up in there where my flashlight is to see the sock?
Yeah, I see it. It's black.
Yeah, let's see.
You want me to pull it out?
Nope.
Not yet.
Not yet. See, I think there's a sock in there. So, I'm going to go ahead, pull it out. I'm trying to get the light on it. There we go. So this is the filter pump, or the water filter as they call it, or the water pump. And there's something caught in there.
Walsh.
There it is.
Stay away from that thing. Okay. Where's the sock?
It's a sock. That's what got caught in there. Well, that would be a good reason why that doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.